Hello and welcome to my tutorial. This is video number 6. In this video I want to implement an audio clip while I'm changing the picture from my cards. In my assets folder, in the resources, I have an audio clip. If I play this clip, it sounds like this. And when I start the game and I click on this card, this audio clip has to play. So for that I open my prefab and add to my prefab a new component. This component is an audio source. And into the audio source I can, via drag and drop, add my audio clip. I turn the volume down to 0.5 and save my game. If I start my game, we hear that the sound is playing. This is because the checkbox for play on awake is checked. So I turn it off, save my game and start the game, and the audio clip isn't playing. Well, for that I open my script, card behavior, in Visual Studio, and I see that we have in our card prefab the audio source as a component. So I try to access the audio source through my script. I implement a new method, private void play audio. I use game object get component audio source, and the audio source provides a method called play. So I add the play audio method to my onClick method, play audio. I save the game. I go into Unity and start my game. Yes, the audio clip is playing, but after the animation the audio clip isn't finished. So I have to stop the audio clip when the animation is finished. And in the previous video we add a animation to our card prefab. I open the timeline of my prefab, select the card in the hierarchy and open the animation window. I add here at the end of the timeline an animation event and have to select a function. So I go into my clip and implement a public function, public void and animation, and in this method I say that the audio clip has to stop. So I copy this line and say not play, I say stop. I save the script, go into Unity and select here the function and animation. So I save the project, I start the game, and we see that the audio clip is stopping when the animation is also finished. Yes, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Please write into the comments if I forgot something, and hopefully I see you in the next video. Bye!